Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today daily combo for cat ID post is ready. And before we get started, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, check the link in my bio. Click on it and join my Telegram channel so that you receive notification in time. So now let's get started. Click on zone as usual. Zone. So what you are looking for today is REP. So let's check for white. So this is our first card. So the second card we are looking for is white. White two. So let's look for our third card under office. So our last card here is YouTube office. YouTube office. YouTube office. So we have claimed our today card. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow for another daily card.